Welcome to Chandu's Kitchen. Hi viewers, let's see how to clean banana flowers. Take a fresh banana flower, a sharp knife, and a bowl full of water. Now, grease your palm with vegetable oil so that the flowers does not stick onto your hand while cleaning. Now, cut the tip of the banana flower and its stem so that it's easy to peel the skin. Peel the skin until you find the small banana flowers. These are the banana flowers used for cooking. Keep peeling the skin until all the banana flowers have been extracted. While extracting, you will find banana flowers of 3 different sizes, that is, large, medium, and small. We are going to see how to clean the large flowers, and the tiny ones can be used without cleaning for cooking. Use a knife to peel the skin of the banana flower if required, as the skin is very tender. Now let's see how to clean an individual flower. The thick elongated stem with a head is to be removed, along with the oval shaped leaf which looks like a polythene paper, and the remainder of the flower will be used for cooking. Similarly, clean all the banana flowers and put them into a bowl of water. Let's look closely at the things to be discarded. The thick elongated stem with a head and an oval shaped leaf which looks like a polythene paper. To stop browning of the clean banana flower, add a cup of curd to the bowl of water and gently mix. Now you can chop and use them for cooking. If you like my video, please comment. Also, like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon.